Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's design is banner design. So let's start and let's see how to make a banner design. First of all, I will change here some color and start a new. So let's see how I can do banner design. Now I will fix it as its middle and this is okay. I will select it and now I will change this color and let's see which color will be the perfect here for it. Um, I will go for the black color here. I'll go for the black color and this should be which color will be the perfect here. I think here it is yellow will be the perfect here. I think and its color also should be the yellow. You can see this color is yellow. Now I will save it here. Then I will export it as PNG format. So you have to click here, use artboard. Otherwise, you can't. You can get your artboard just you can get just design. So export it, replace it. Okay. Now create a new page. For the banner design, you have to take this format which is 1280 into 420. So take it. I will show you today different format of banner design. So sorry I will take I and it should be the I will make it 100 and change its font, and this font is perfect for my design and it should be the which color will be the perfect for the design. I will take green color today, so make it green. I think this is okay. This is okay, and I will copy it, and this is good. Now I will copy this, sorry, and I think this is, sorry, I think this is okay. This is good, and I will change this opacity. I will make it 38. 38. Yeah, you can see here 38 will be the perfect for my design. So you can see how to change a background, how to nice a background to with the typographical things. So here you have to try it at your home, and I will show you more things on the next day. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.